Hi friend, Damian Jordan for The Wise Shall Understand with a quick update from that which is happening in terms of Hawaii's earthquakes. Transitioning over quickly to earthquaketrack.com, that's the domain name, and if we scroll down you can see that there are earthquakes as recent as just 13 minutes ago. This page updates in real time. And scrolling back up, what we have right here is 444 earthquakes in the past 24 hours, and most of them, as you can see, are in Hawaii, and they are volcano related. There are so many earthquakes happening in Hawaii right now, as you know, and this website right here, earthquaketrack.com, is a site where you can actually track what's going on. If you have loved ones in Hawaii, check on how they're doing, because it's being described as a 24-hour earthquake because it just keeps going, with earthquakes recorded as recent as, 14 minutes ago. If I were to refresh this page, it'll probably pull in even more earthquakes. In fact, why don't I do that? The biggest earthquakes, 6.9, and there you go. Scrolling down, we have just 7 minutes ago a 2.2, but it's ongoing. So just a little update with respect to the earthquakes in Hawaii. There have been hundreds of them. The Bible, of course, says with respect to the last days in Matthew chapter 24 verse 7, nation will rise against nation. We're seeing a lot of that, and kingdom against kingdom, and there will be famines and earthquakes in various places. This certainly would appear to be the case even in Hawaii, of all places. Hundreds of earthquakes in Hawaii, but of course you have the volcanoes. These are volcanic islands. Damian Jordan for The Wise Shall Understand. Thank you for watching. We'll keep coming with more videos with respect to the latest goings on in terms of Bible prophecy and signs of the times.